everyone, I'm back. So we're doing, the video today is going to be on Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star. So the first part of the video, which you've just watched, is the play along. So this little campfire, banjo, guitar accompaniment. It's a little quick, but you could work towards that. All right, and now I'm going to get into the nitty gritty in how to play Twinkle, Twinkle on your violin. So first things first, you want to sit both off, butt on edge, feet on the floor, edge of your chair, or standing up's really good too. I sit because I have my camera in front of me. Just makes it a little easier. Make sure that your violin is on your left shoulder. Not there. Left shoulder. Okay. Make sure you have a chin rest, shoulder rest, or a couple sponges in there. Not a dish sponge, but there are special sponges for your shoulder rest. If you need to know, if you need any, you can write in the comments below and I can give you a whole bunch. So once you've got your shoulder rest, everything's nice and comfortable. You've got your beautiful bow hold. You need to start learning Twinkle, Twinkle. So here we go. To know the form of Twinkle, Twinkle is very, very good. You need to know that there are three sections, A, B, and A. Obviously, the A's repeat themselves, so they're exactly the same. And if you sing Twinkle, Twinkle to yourself, you'll notice that the beginning of the song is very much like the end. Okay, so here's the first part. Start by playing two D's and then two A's. Now place your first finger very carefully and gently. Don't clench your thumb there or your first finger. You don't want any tension. So now your first finger 2 times on the A string, which is called B. Let go, and then just play open A. That part sounds like this. Now the next part, you want to put your third finger on the D string, and we walk down the string like this. 3, 2, first finger for E, and then open D. So if you put those together, you have the A section. So that's your A section. So you've got actually almost the entire song. Now you have to learn the middle section. So the middle section starts on the A string. We play 2 A's. Put your 3 fingers for G on the D string, 3. Second finger, and then hold your first finger. And then it repeats. A. So if you notice, the B section actually has a repeat also. So here's the B section, 2 A's. Whoops. And then it happens again. And then it's right back to the beginning. Okay? So that is Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star. Have some practice with it. If you have any questions, you can email me or you can write on the comments below. Make sure you hit the subscribe button, and happy practicing.